Assalamualaikum. Today we will make a yummy wrap. Take a wrap sheet, cut it like this. Place an omelette on one side. Add mayonnaise on this side. Add chopped tomato. To this side add cheese and add red chili sauce to last side. Add chopped onions. Add few coriander leaves. And now you have to fold in this way. Again fold like this and then a fold and one more fold. In a pan add little butter. Place the wrap and close the lid and cook until the cheese melts. Also cook on the other side. Now it's done. Do try this unique and yummy recipe. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.